What's up, dudes? I don't know why my bike is being all weird. It's like the check engine light turned on and then the traction control turned on. It's like flashing at me. I don't know what that means. I already turned the bike on and off like 3 times. It just started doing that this morning on this ride. So hopefully it means traction control is like permanently broken, like it's not working, and it doesn't mean that it's like permanently on. My plan was to come over here in these closed roads and work on some wheelies. We're gonna try to scrape this bad girl. That's the goal for today. Try to do a little scrape. So we're getting pretty close. I think I could do it. I just gotta commit. Oh yeah, tires are warm. Good. I was expecting the rear tire to slide a little bit because it is cold this morning. We're riding at a brisk 25 degrees. Well, that's good. Traction control's not on. Try to do a little clutch in. I gotta work on those though. It's so hard, like doing 2 things at once. Multitasking. You gotta pull the clutch in, you give her a little rev, and you gotta keep it going with the rear brake. It takes a lot of work. Oh, so watch. I'm gonna turn the bike off. Turn the bike on. I forgot. Every time I do that, turns your traction control back on, so I gotta come to a stop. But see, now it's working fine, and then I'll ride around for like 5 minutes and it's gonna turn back on. I don't know why it's all sad. It is a weekday, so I wanted to see if there's any construction going on down here. And if there's not, then we're gonna do some wheelies down here. But if there is, then we'll go back to the entrance of these closed roads and do it down there. See if we can scrape this thing. Bum, 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 bum. These gloves are super nice and they keep me super warm, but man, are they thick. So they're kind of restricting my wheelie mobility. That was a big dip. It was a big dip, but it was not a smooth dip. See, we could go over here, but the road's not very straight. It's also super dirty. They might be doing work over here too. I don't know. That's new. I wonder how far that driveway goes up. We'll go explore. I imagine this road just dead ends up here. I gotta take the adventure bike back here. There's all kinds of like little side hits, kind of. Although those are sandy, so it'd probably be sketchy. Nice. Oh, my front brake is so bad right now. My fork seals are leaking and they leak all over my brake rotors. I don't have very much battery, so I don't know how long this video will last, but maybe we'll scrape. I just wanted to explore it for a little bit, and then we'll go to a good like straight area and try to scrape. I wonder how far I can dip back during the knee knocker too. I'm not super good at knee knockers yet, but like Jixabra, he'd be dragging his foot in a knee knocker, which just seems so sketchy to me. You just gotta hold your ankle a little limp. Because I imagine if you're all stiff and your foot catches that ground, it's gonna rip your leg off the bike. Oh, see, it's doing the thing. I don't know why it does that. It's really annoying though. I'm just gonna keep doing this because I don't want to see that thing flashing at me all the time. I changed the front tire on this thing yesterday, so I imagine I may have messed up a sensor. Although it's weird because this bike doesn't have ABS, but it does have a sensor in the front. And I don't know why. It must have to do with traction control, but I don't know why you would need to sense the front wheel. Yeah, I imagine I was pretty darn close there. Probably a couple inches. I just got to get that last little dip. Bet you I could scrape her. See if we can do one going down the hill. Kind of sketchy going down the hill. Because your bike doesn't want to slow down. It just wants to stay at that speed even when you're on the rear brake. But it might be good trying to dip going downhill. I'm just so scared, dudes. I'm just a little scaredy pants. True tire's pretty good, but I just have a fear that I'll drop back too far and smack that rear brake and the tire is just gonna slide. That was too hard. It was not smooth. I had to have been so close. Man, you gotta be so far back. That's insane. Actually, I'm gonna pull over and check because I didn't hear anything, but you never know. Nada. In my dreams. The knockers going uphill feel great. I mean, normal wheelies going uphill feel good too, because the road is slanted, so you don't actually have to go back as far to reach balance point. We'll do a couple more, and then we might have to call this a fail. I gotta get someone to film me, and so I can see how far back I'm actually getting. It says it might be affecting my mode too. I feel like when that's on, my throttle response feels a little bit off. Baby rev, baby rev. That's fun. Maybe I should take my 360 cam and mount it somehow so the pole's sticking straight out to the side, and then it could get me, I don't know, I feel like it's scary. Probably break it or something. Forget about it and smack it on one of these, smack it on someone's car. Dude, that was so far back there, I don't know how I didn't scrape. I guess I wasn't as close as I thought I was to scraping. Pranked myself. The thing that happens to people almost happened. Started getting swervy, and then I slowed down a ton. Woo-hoo-hoo! I did it! I did it! I did it! See the damage. Oh no. Oh no. I done did it, didn't I? Oh no, why did I do that? I'm so silly. Oh well. Well, now I can get a integrated turn signal taillight thing. Mission success! I really did not think I was gonna do it for a moment there. Mission success. Very good, very nice, very successful. Alright, I'm happy. Now I gotta learn rev coasters. I feel like when I can pull the clutch in, but when I rev, I'm like doing the same motion with my foot. It's really weird. It's just like a brain thing. I go like this, and the same time I'm like doing that with my foot. Silly. I don't know why I do that. I'm turning! I can't stop to turn! Well, hopefully my microphone didn't fall down or something. You guys can still hear me. But the mission a success. Man, I can't believe I scraped it. That's been such a big goal for me. Now I gotta get a video. Someone needs to film me. I need a filmer, dudes. I need someone to film me scraping it. I'm such a scraper now. Anyways, dudes, thanks for watching. Mission successful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, check out my other stuff. Love you, dudes. Later.